Hey everyone, it's Kelly. How you going? We have another Temu haul. So we have 3 different parcels, but there's 8 different things in there. So we're going to unbox these. I'm going to take you through what we have. I'm going to do 4 in this video and then 4 in the next one because you've got to stretch out the suspense. So while I open these packets, let me tell you all about Temu. So Temu is an online marketplace where they have just the biggest range ever of anything that you could probably ever need. And it is so good for price point. Just, it's amazing. So anything, fashion, jewelry, home decor, you name it, it's on there. You can do a search for products if you want. So many different sellers, and as I said, at whole different prices as well. You can spend hours looking through. You can go onto the website and have a look there, or you can download the app, and I'll leave a link down below where you'll be able to get a discount if you are a first-time user. They also have massive sales often right now. There's a sale where you can earn up to 90% off some of the products, and as a first-time app user you can even get some things for free. Okay, so the first thing I got is a spray bottle. It could be used for oil, it could be used for water. I've got it for cleaning. I have one for oil, it's amazing, but I don't have an actual spray bottle in my cleaning stash. And the one that I do have, it leaks, so you just unscrew it, fill it with water there, and then you'll be able to clean to your heart's content. I actually changed my mind and decided to use the smaller one for canola oil. The bigger one has vegetable oil in it, and we use the 2 different oils in the kitchen, so I'm super happy. Next up, we have a little cord organizer that sticks on to the back of appliance for you to wrap your cords around. I thought that this would be perfect for my KitchenAid, so I can keep the cord with it rather than it dragging everywhere. So it took a little bit of work to get the sticker backing off, but once I did, it was pretty easy, and then you just adhere it to the back of your machine. The cord wraps around really nicely just in the middle. My cord's a little bit fatter than the holder there, so it didn't quite clip into the middle, but still it sat here wrapped up pretty nicely. Next, I have a meat masher. Look at that. So I see everyone in the USA have these, and I'm told they are amazing for being able to break up minced meat and cook it in the pan. So we'll give it a go and we'll let you know. So my meat is still a little bit frozen, so as you can see in some bits it's sort of just crushing it rather than cutting through it, but ultimately it works pretty well. It's exactly the same theory as whacking my wooden spoon into there, but at least this, it just kind of helps it break it up a bit more. Next up, I got some socks because Temu give you a budget, and I was getting really close to the limit and there was nothing that was kind of fit in there, and I go through socks so often anyway, so they're just little black socks. There's 5 in a packet. So I'm super happy. It's a thing that I was going to need to buy anyway. So now that I have them, all good for me. These socks, I love them more than what I thought. They are a slimmer fit and there's some nice elastic in the tops. So when I pull my sand shoes off, because I do it by the heel, I don't undo the laces, my socks stay on. They don't slip off like others. Next up, I have this squeegee. It's a funny looking shape, but I'm hoping that when I clean part of the laundry with the scrubber thing, because I always get a lot of water and stuff left over, I'll be able to use this to squeege up all the water to make it a lot cleaner for cleaning. It comes with 2 extender poles and a handle. It's not super long, but it will do the job for what I need it to do. It took a little bit to put it all together. You've just got to make sure that you screw everything together and it will be good. So yeah, it's not super long, but I'm sure that it will do the job. So please excuse my very messy floor. I started cleaning out the oven with all the burnt bits that are in there, and I just let it all drop to the floor so I could see how well I could clean all this up, because I haven't got around to washing the floor yet, which was my original theory. But I am so happy with how easily this is just picking up all those crumbs, and the fact it has the silicone base to it means it gets right up against the skirting boards there, and it is just easily sweeping up all the debris. Next up, I got a cash binder wallet. I so love the marble look of it. Looks amazing. It is a magnetic close, and just pop it open so it has some folders here for you to put cards. You can put a pen. I just put in there the budget sheet that it came with. It's a whole pack, and I just put in a couple of the envelopes, but it actually came with a whole lot more. I just put a couple in there to show you. It also comes with some labels for your envelopes and also some colored stickers. So I don't do as much cash stuffing anymore, but with a few things I need to keep track of, I thought this would be perfect for me to be able to keep cash in there, especially when I'm doing some of the food challenges and stuff. I like to keep things separate, so having all the envelopes in there, I can have all the different challenges and compartments separate, so that's going to work really well for me. So as I mentioned, it's just a great way for me to be able to keep all of the receipts and bits and pieces of tracking when I need to do the budget or whatever else I'm doing, and everything is in the one place rather than it loose all through my purse. Big thank you again to Temu for sponsoring today's video. All the links for the products I showed you are down below. Check them out. I'd love to know what you get. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!